right, thank you for watching this special edition of News 24. I'm your host, Mohamed Katang. Continue to follow the latest on Hurricane Lee. Now has 105 mile per hour winds. That is a Category 2 storm. It's going to continue to intensify, and you can clearly see what we're talking about. The tracks now are forecasting it to continue to move west-northwest. Now the computer models are pretty in agreement on a northerly turn. Let's hope that happens for everyone's sake, but things can still change between now and next Wednesday when that's expected to happen. Stay tuned. It's up to that trough and the Bermuda high above it. Now also we're going to look here at this graphic here, and it's expecting Lee to become a Category 4 and maybe a Category 5. If it's a Category 5, it has winds of 156 miles per hour or higher. So that can cause a lot of problems, trust me on that, because mobile homes pretty much would be destroyed if this would even make landfall. Right now, cross your fingers that it doesn't on the East Coast, but here is the hurricane scale. And you have from the tropical depression, tropical storm, the category 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're talking about a category 4 or 5 with Hurricane Lee. And we're going to show you the infrared in just a moment, where you can see the good inflow and outflow that it is generating right now, right there in the Atlantic, with the very, very warm temperature. Even if Lee doesn't make landfall on the East Coast, it is going to generate waves of 50 plus to possibly 80, depending on how strong it is. And the wind field is going to continue to expand with tropical storm force winds extending outward. Some computer models stay up to 500 miles from the center. So some areas among Cape Hatteras could get tropical storm force winds as long as it stays out to sea or between Bermuda and the U.S. Either way, could have significant impacts on the mid-Atlantic as far as beach erosion and flooding. And if the storm actually makes landfall, well, that could be a totally different story. Again, it's a race to that trough and the high, if it's going to be strong enough to erode the high. But either way, you can see that on the satellite, the eye is clearly visible. Classic, and by this weekend, this is going to be a monster. So stay tuned for the very latest.